Is this the best business hotel in Panama City? Well, today we're staying at the Hyatt Regency Panama City. It's right in the heart of the financial district, and I'm going to show you everything from the room and the rooftop pool. And is it actually worth the price? Well, I'm going to let you decide. Check-in was smooth. The staff at this property was very helpful and provided great customer service. All right, we're going to do a room tour of the Hyatt Regency Panama City. And I just checked in. The open closet concept with 2 robes. Let's see, is there anything in here? There's the iron, as well as the ironing board. We have the safe. So we have a couple of drawers in case I want to put anything in the drawers. Big screen television. We have a coffee maker with some quality coffee products there. And in the fridge, they have 2 bottles of water, which is pretty cool. I like the setup with the love seat and the table. It's pretty nice. Nice king size bed. It's a simplistic, modern decor. Here's our workstation. It's kind of small, and the lighting isn't the best, but you know, we'll make do with what we have. Here's the view from the room. Now we are on the 16th floor. It's a pretty nice view of Panama City. This hotel is not on the waterfront. It's actually in the interior city, not too far from El Cangrejo. But it's actually a very walkable area. There's a lot to see. So moving on to the bathroom. We have the mirror with the lights around it. Okay, the vanity's pretty decent. Needs some modern look and feel. We have the rainfall shower head, plus the handheld shower, and we have the Pharmacopoeia body care products. I mean, I think all in all, this is a pretty nice room here at the Hyatt Regency Panama City. I'm gonna do a tour of the entire property, but this right here is just a glimpse of the room. This property really only has one main restaurant. This is also where the lobby bar is. On this particular night, it wasn't too crowded, but there were a couple people there grabbing a quick drink or a bite to eat. There's also a connecting wine bar, as well as a speakeasy, which was not open on this particular trip. In terms of amenities, one of the highlights here, in my opinion, was the gym. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of the gym, but in my opinion, I thought it was phenomenal. It was modern, well equipped, with plenty of machines. It actually covers 2 floors, so take a look at it, check it out. But for me, that was one of the highlights of this property. The Hyatt also has a really nice terrace area if you want to get out of the room and still do some work. It's very comfortable in terms of the accommodations. Not to mention, there's some small rooms off to the side where if you want to grab a call or have a quick meeting, you can do so with some privacy. The Hyatt Panama City also has a rooftop pool. Now, the pool is not big, but it's perfect for cooling off after a humid day in the sun of Panama City. Even though the pool itself is not big, the pool area was quite inviting. I found it to be relaxing after a long day of work or sightseeing. The Hyatt Regency Panama City also has a coffee shop in the lobby area called Amato. Now, in my personal opinion, I thought the coffee could have been better, and there are honestly some better options outside of the property. 2 blocks away, there's a Tim Hortons, and 1 block away, there's a Starbucks. Amato also serves as a market, so if you're in a crunch and you need something quick, you can go down to the lobby to get a light snack or something to drink. If you have time, I suggest to go out. Like I mentioned earlier, this hotel is in great proximity to a lot of places. There's so many food choices within a short distance. Who is this hotel best for? Well, I think this property is best for the business traveler or digital nomad wanting comfort as well as good Wi-Fi. But this property is also good for travelers who wants to be in a central location without extreme and really expensive pricing. Now, I would not recommend this for the traveler that wants a resort beachfront vibe, and it's not that type of property. Would I stay here again? Absolutely. It's reliable, comfortable, even though it wasn't luxury. It's way beyond your basic budget hotels. If you're planning a trip to Panama City and want help choosing the right hotel, whether it's business, luxury, or beachfront, feel free to reach out. And if this walking tour helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please check out my other videos.